Welcome. I am your training bot, Amy. In this video, you will see integrating Windows devices with DNIF. In the next few minutes, we will go through how to install Nxlog Community Edition, interactively, and an unattended way for Windows. Next, we will look at the configuration, log forwarding, verification of log reception at the server. We will end this video by checking the collection status on the console. You will begin with downloading the Nxlog Community Edition MSI file from the website. Install the file downloaded interactively as administrator. Alternatively, the unattended way lets you install the same file using instructions provided on the Nxlog website. Copy the command and execute this command as an administrator. Make sure to replace the name of MSI file with the one which you have. After successful installation, you can find the configuration file in the Nxlog folder in the location of installation. To forward Windows log events to DNIF, add your necessary configuration at the end of the file. Here, you are forwarding logs of application, security, system and PowerShell to the destination address on port number 514, through UDP, in JSON format. To initiate log forwarding, start the Nxlog service on Windows. The log file in the data folder shows that the forwarding has started. You can verify Windows log reception on the server by running a simple TCP dump command. Where S0 will start capturing everything, C to capture 100 packets and then stop, N for name resolution, VV for verbose output, A for ASCII format, I for interface, ENP0S3 is the interface name, the host is the source IP address and port number 514. You can see the incoming events from the source. TCP dump will download 100 packets and exit automatically. Or else you can use Ctrl+C to come out. You can write these logs using W, inside a user-defined pcap file. Using the TCP dump read command, read the content of the file and display the output. On the DNIF web console, under collection status, you can see that the device is auto-detected, and an appropriate extractor is auto-applied. On the search interface, you can easily view the logs that are received from the source device. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. But wait, it never ends until Amy tells a joke. What's the difference between a cat and a comma? A cat has claws at the end of paws, a comma is a pause at the end of a clause. Ha ha ha, that was funny. See you around.